Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to tackle a common issue that can be frustrating website owners. The 403 forbidden error. This error occurs when your server can't authorize the request and it can happen for several reasons. Let's dive into how to fix it, especially if you are using Hostinger. The 403 forbidden error typically means that there is an issue with file permissions, the htaccess file or your DNS settings. It's like being locked out of your own website. To resolve this, we need to check a few key areas. First, ensure that your file permissions are correct. Incorrect permissions can block access to your website. You can adjust this permission using your file manager in Hostinger. Make sure that the public HTML folder is present and not empty. If it's missing, create it and upload your website files there. Next, let's look at the htaccess file. This file can sometimes be corrupted or have incorrect configurations. To troubleshoot, rename the htaccess file to sometime or something like htaccess-disabled. Clear your browser cache and try accessing your site again. If it works, you know the issue was with the htaccess file. Another common cause is incorrect DNS settings. Ensure that your A record points to the IP address of your hosting plan. If you're using Hostinger, follow their guide to manage records. Remember, DNS changes can take up to 24 hours to propagate. Other potential causes include missing index pages, faulty plugins, or malware infections. Always check your access logs for more detailed information. And if you're using WordPress, temporarily disable plugin to use or see they are causing the issue. And that is it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix 403 forbidden error on your Hostinger website. Remember to regularly check your site security and configurations to prevent future errors. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and solutions.